I'm doing a tutorial how to get up here. In my playground in Coes. Whoop. Let's give it to my cameraman. It's easier. Okay, there we go. Okay, just. Okay. Joey, if you want to get up here, there's something on my phone. There we go. It's stuck. Whatever. I'll get that off my feet. So, if you want to know how to get up here, we're going to do that this specific video. Without that sound. Also, this is the dangerous way to get off. I didn't like it that way, but okay. This is how you get up here. Let's get to that tutorial video. Also, I saw what you did on my phone. You made a video of me picking up the POOP. Demonetized. Okay, come on, cameraman. So you put one foot here, or you put one foot right there, or whatever is easier. Right? This is easier, but it's harder. So once you do that, do that, do that. That's how you technically get up here. But give me the camera. Okay, so this is what it looks like once you get up here at the beginning. So, cameraman, can you hold this again? Yep. So we can. But this is not in first person view because I don't want to drop my camera. So that you can just do all this. I never went over here, so camera over there. Okay. I never watched the video when this is posting. So I don't know how to make a live video. Well, I know how to, but it says I can't.
Why can't you make a live video?
Because this is what I need. It says I have to have this specific gear, which I have no idea what it is.
Well, it can't do that if you don't know what the specific gear is.
I think it's like a mic.
I've seen tons of people make live videos with
7 subscribers.
Yeah.
I have no idea. I never got off from this. This is dangerous. Okay, over here. Follow me. I don't know how to make videos in 360 yet. So watch again. Watch again. So let's try to get back over. Camera, by the drum. By the drum.
I'm going. I'm not going to jump with your phone.
Oh, that's right. YouTube is the best website, I think. I don't know. I like it.
Do you have any other websites that you can make video on? I'm not a man, I'm not a woman, I'm a girl.
Camera girl, whatever.
Be careful. I'll call 911. I'll call 911 and then probably just tell your mom. I don't know which I'll do first if you get injured.
Okay, I hurt my ankle.
This has been going on for 4 minutes and 40 seconds.
Really? Well, the easier way is coming. Don't worry about that suspicious water bottle. It's just my camera girl's water. So this is how you do it the safe
but also,
Well, let's do this in okay. Cut the video.